Sprinkle turmeric on a lemon like this, and your skin will never be the same again. Are you looking for a natural, high-end glow without the expensive spa price tag? Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite DIY secrets for achieving radiant, even-toned skin using just two powerful ingredients from your kitchen: fresh lemon and ground turmeric. There is something so rewarding about using ingredients in their purest form. By using a fresh lemon rather than a bottled juice, you're ensuring your skin gets the highest concentration of active enzymes and antioxidants. This is the ultimate minimalist approach to luxury skincare. No fillers, no harsh chemicals, just potent botanical power. When you prepare this at home, you're in total control of the quality. This step isn't just about cleaning the skin. It's about prepping your canvas to fully absorb the healing properties of the turmeric we're about to add. It's all about creating that professional-grade result right in your own bathroom. First, we start with a fresh lemon. I always make sure to wash it thoroughly under cool water to ensure the surface is clean before it touches my skin. Lemon is nature's brightener, packed with vitamin C and citric acid to help exfoliate and lighten those stubborn areas. Once it's clean, I'm going to slice a small round piece, just enough to act as a natural applicator. Now here is the star of the show, ground turmeric. This isn't just for cooking. Turmeric is celebrated for its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. If you struggle with acne, dark spots, or hyperpigmentation, this is your new best friend. As you see here, I'm generously coating the lemon slice with the turmeric powder. You want a nice, even layer. This combination creates a potent treatment that targets dark spots while the lemon juice helps the turmeric penetrate deeper into the skin. This duo works wonders for lightening underarms, elbows, knees, or anywhere you feel your skin needs a little extra brightness. When you're ready, take that turmeric-infused lemon and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. You don't need to press hard. Let the natural juices and the texture of the turmeric do the work. You'll feel a slight tingle. That's the citric acid going to work. Continue this massage for a few minutes on your target areas, whether it's acne scars on your face or dark patches on your body. The key is consistency. The turmeric helps calm redness and kill bacteria, while the lemon focuses on that high-end, lux-class glow we all want. After letting it sit for a few minutes, it's time to rinse. Use lukewarm water to wash away the mixture. You'll notice immediately how much softer and more vibrant the skin looks. Look at that beautiful, hydrated finish. With regular use, you'll see those dark spots start to fade away. It's simple, effective, and completely natural. If you're ready to transform your skincare routine with Minimalist, effective ingredients, give this a try. Let's talk about why this duo is a powerhouse for your skin. Turmeric contains a bioactive component called curcumin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. This is what helps soothe active breakouts and reduce the swelling associated with acne. When you combine that with the citric acid found in lemon, you're essentially creating a natural chemical peel. The lemon acts as a mild exfoliant, dissolving dead skin cells and clearing out pores, while the vitamin C works to inhibit melanin production. This is exactly how we target those dark spots at the source, leaving your skin looking polished, refreshed, and professionally cared for. Don't forget to follow for more homegrown beauty hacks and lifestyle tips.